Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can find out if you have the latest version of DirectX on your PC or which version of DirectX is actually installed on your PC. But before going to that, what is DirectX? So Microsoft DirectX is a collection of application programming interfaces for handling tasks related to multimedia, especially game programming and video on Microsoft platforms. Originally, the names of these APIs all began with Direct, such as Direct 3D, Direct Draw, etc., etc. So basically, you need this one, especially if you play many games on your PC. But which is the latest release of DirectX? The stable release is DirectX 12. This is released on October 2021 and the first release was on 95. But let's have a look which one is installed in our PC. In order to check that, you just have to go at search and you type here run, and then over here you have to write the command dxdiag, which stands for DirectX diagnostic. So you write this one and then you click over OK, and then it will pop up many informations which are related with your DirectX diagnostic tool, and the important one is this part here, which is DirectX version, and in this case is DirectX 12. So basically in my computer is already installed the latest version of DirectX, which is DirectX 12. You can open even faster this tool by just going at search and you type here dxdiag, and then it will show this run command and you click over that, and then it will open the DirectX diagnostic tool. The main question that you may have right now is how we can install the latest version of DirectX. Actually, normally you don't have to install this tool by yourself. By just updating your computer with the latest drives and with the latest update, you will automatically get this latest releases of DirectX. But if you are having some issues, then you have to go more deep to uninstall and to try to install it again, this tool, so you can fix the problems that you may have when you are playing a certain game on your computer. The same steps that I showed on Windows 11 you can apply on Windows 10 or Windows 7, regardless which operating system you are using. The command to open this tool is the same. That's all that I want to share with you guys today. This was more an informative video to get to know more about this tool, which actually maybe you don't know that exists, but you are using it time by time by playing different games on your PC. Thanks a lot for watching. Wish you all the best and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.